everyone, welcome back to my channel, Heather's Corner. Today I'm going to be unboxing my package from VIE. I can't wait to show you what's inside. Neither can mini Jungkook here. Let's take a moment to appreciate his handbag that I made him. It's beautiful and I really love the color. I was super inspired by the BTS New Year's card video and I just really had to make one. Look, it even has a slit on the side so when he sits, it splits. So, without further ado, let's get to the box. So I had previously opened it and put some on tissue paper, but this is the box. It's very fragile because the pieces are 3D printed. So after some of the tissue paper, you gotta take off the piece of felt that was protecting this beautiful black table. It's a little table for the dolls to eat at. So, let me show you. So here is the black table. I'll bring it up to the camera. It's got 4 legs. It's a low-rise table. It's beautifully 3D printed, and I admire Ellen's skill because I had a 3D printer once and it didn't really work out that well. The top is painted, so it's a little more of a nice finish because 3D printer you get these lines. You can see. That way it looks good. Then your doll can sit. It's made to fit 2 of the VIE dolls. And they do have skinnier legs, and I believe they sit better than the AG dolls. But right now, Jungkook's going to take it all to himself. So next up are these beautiful cushions. They use floor cushions. They did come in plastic bags. I just had removed this. So you just put it under your doll so their butt doesn't hurt as bad. Gives them a little height. So we have the second cushion. Next, we have these adorable little cups. You take it out of the bag. This is just about everything in here was 3D printed. So you can have this tea, whatever. I believe it fits on the hand of the VIE doll. I should actually get mine out so that we can see. I have beautiful Kiwani here. So I just pulled out one of my VIE dolls to see how the cup sits in the hand. So yes, there we go. It does fit between the first 3 fingers. You can turn the hand if you can hold it. Falls off a little. It's not a secure fit, but still it's fun for pictures. Like that. So the cup does fit in her hand, which is awesome. And it sort of fit on the AG doll too, so you can share it amongst your dolls. When Melina comes, then I'll do another video and maybe show her using all her little Japanese items. The pieces I brought were a set for 2, because in Ellen's VIE world, almost everything's done with the doll in mind and her first character, Alexis. Because Alexis travels the world, so she has to have an eating set for her and Melina, right? So we have the little soup spoons, which I actually have a lot of these in my house, and I use them constantly. I think it's because they're just nice. I like them. So he has a little spoon for whenever he's eating. Yeah. Then came with some doll-sized chopsticks. I think they're so funny. And the pink card in the back is actually paper placemats. So we got some chopsticks. I don't think they really fit in the hands, like you can leave them, but it's fun to pretend, right? Some little pink chopsticks. And we have a placemat. Put their bowl under. We'll make a little dining scene right now. And we have the ramen bowls. So it's a little bowl with a top. You know, Jungkook's gotta have his ramen. If he doesn't, I don't know what's gonna happen. He likes his noodles, right? Sorry, incomplete thought. The ramen bowl is really cool. So it looks like it's made out of a wood textured 3D print filament. So it almost looks like bamboo. Like, look at the inside. You can see like this. It almost looks like wood separating. It's pretty cool. So the top does indeed fit. So He can pretend to be bringing out his ramen at one point. And of course, if I got dining set for 2 in a ramen bowl, I had to get the food. And these are so freaking nice. These ramen bowls. It's ramen. She made ramen and eggs, so she has the ramen noodles, fried egg, peas, and carrots. And Ellen handcrafted these out of clay. And she signed them in the back and put a number. So I have number 25 and 26. Isn't that cool? And it does indeed fit in the ramen bowl. Just that the top doesn't really fit securely. Like you put it on because the peas kind of stick out. But that's okay. I am so very happy with it. So here, Jungkook can pretend like he's eating his soup. But more like he's gonna use his chopsticks. Doll-sized chopsticks. Yeah. And Ellen threw in a little free gift. A little fan. Was it free or did it come with the other thing? I don't actually remember. It might have been free or it might have came with the gator shoes that I'm about to show you. Because I also brought Melina's kimono. I gotta have cultural clothes. I mean, I made a hanbok. I could probably make a kimono. I just didn't feel like it. So happens when you're sober and then you get lazy. But it's beautiful. Little trinkets. I actually have a gorgeous orange fan that has elephants on it that one of my best friends got me when he went to visit his family in Malaysia. And I was like, oh, it's so pretty. So here are the gator shoes, which, wow, Ellen's talent for 3D printing really shows. She 3D printed the bottoms and put foam, and then she hand painted the flowers. So I chose the red because the kimono's red, but she also offered them in pink. So the kimono also has pink flowers. So I think the pink would have been pink and red flowers. And I believe these were a limited buy because she only made a certain number of kimonos. And I can understand because they're a lot of work. Painting, like, that's beautiful. And what's great is the VAE dolls actually have a separated toe, so this will go between. So let me put them on Kiwani. I don't know if the gator shoes will fit the AG doll very well, but I'll try them on Jungkook real quick, too, just to show you. Very simple to get on, very easy. You know, sometimes the flip-flops can be a little bit tricky with the elastic band. Like these flip-flop style shoes. But, well, they look good. I know you can't really see her as she falls forward. But, look at those. So cute. Everyone looks so good with the kimono. So let's just see if they fit AG doll. I don't think it's going to fit very well. The other doll. Oh. It doesn't look as nice, but it does fit if you wanted to make it. So, because AG doesn't have a separated toe, so his foot's not going to go forward all the way. But, it's a little comical to me. I'm a bit upset now that I did that to the pants. Alright. Sorry you can't see my face. I needed to angle the camera down. Right. So, this is what I got from VAE recently, and I'm super excited to receive my Melina dolls. They just came into the US, and Ellen is busy boxing them up and doing finishing touches, so it's gonna be awesome. I really would highly recommend that you go check out her website and get one of these if you have a doll that likes ramen or you indeed like ramen. So I'll link her site down below, and thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye, says Jungkook.